Welcome back. It's been a while, guys. Today I'm here to show you guys the new TOMEI dual exhaust. There's a lot of new and exciting products for the GR Corolla. I know it's been a minute since we've actually released anything, but today we're going to go through this exhaust. This is the dual exhaust. They are making a single exhaust. That's going to be coming in a week or so. We're going to give you a video on this exhaust with sound clip. We're going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on any install hiccups we had, as well as the next video is going to be like single exhaust, and then we'll do a comparison, a mashup, and kind of show you guys everything. So this car already has the Active AutoWorks high flow pipe on it. We've swapped that out in one of our earlier videos, so we're going to see how it sounds with that. So please take that into consideration. I'm super excited. One of the biggest things about the TOMEI product is the weight savings. We'll get you some measurements. We'll put them on the screen here for the dual, and then the single is going to be even less. I'm excited to hear this. I hope you guys are too.